Hi, I'm Courtney and welcome back to Haven's Kitchen. Today we'll be making pan-seared scallops with romesco and toasted hazelnuts. I love this recipe so much because it's only 5 ingredients, only takes about 5 minutes, and is definitely a 5-star dish. If this recipe sounds like something you'd like to make, be sure to subscribe to see our future cooking videos. All right, let's get started. So for today's recipe, you'll only need a medium skillet and a spatula. The star of today's dish, outside of these beautiful scallops, is going to be our red pepper romesco sauce. I absolutely love this sauce. It's got great brightness. It's got that little smoky note from the peppers. It is really just so beautiful, and we'll be adding a little bit of butter to it, a little bit of white wine, sort of reducing it down to this thick, luscious sauce and nestling our cooked scallops in it. So we're starting with our scallops, which will need to be patted completely dry. You'll usually do this with like paper towels, and you'll just want to give them a pat. Make sure that you're getting off any of that excess liquid, because that is the key to getting a golden, beautiful sear. Once we have our scallops seared, we'll take them off of the heat and we'll put our butter, our romesco, and a little bit of our white wine into the pan and reduce that down to a thick, luscious, beautiful sauce. And then we will nestle all of our scallops back in that. All right, so this is gonna happen super quickly. Let's head on over to the stove and get cooking. So we're just going to salt our scallops. You wanna give them a pretty generous seasoning with your salt. Let it good and melt here. We'll just put these in. Salt it side down first. Now be careful not to overcrowd your pan when you're adding scallops. You want them to all be able to cook evenly. And now I'll just give them an extra little sprinkle of salt on the other side. Ah, these are gorgeous and gorgeous. That was beautiful. All right. We'll throw in our 1/4 cup of wine. So our scallops have been seared and they are gorgeous and golden brown. And we've also made our romesco white wine sauce. So now we're gonna plate. All right, so there you have it. Our super simple pan-seared scallops with romesco and toasted hazelnuts. This recipe only had 5 ingredients, came together in 5 minutes, and really just, I have no words to describe how beautiful this is. This is perfect for a date night. It's super romantic without being super high effort. So hopefully if you liked this recipe, you will like this video and subscribe to see our future videos. For the full recipe and textable shopping list, click the link below. Thank you so much for watching, and cook happy.